Hi, Captain Jake, Wildman Warehouse, Wildman Charters in the Florida Keys. My shark shield was acting up on me. I've been fiddling with it for a couple of weeks now. You know, it's one of those things we don't know that much about. We don't have to troubleshoot them that often. You use it for the summertime and then you store it all winter. So I plug mine in and I get this, red. Mine's the older version, the B. If you look at the serial number, there's an A and B model and then there's a C model. So mine's let me tell you the model. It's the GU1000B. They've changed the charger since then, so the signals are a little bit different on the B than the C serial numbers. But I plug it in, I get this red blinking light, and then it turns green on me after an hour, 2 hours, 6 hours. And then I go to turn my switch, and I don't get anything. Okay, the red blinking light means the B model's charging. The green light means it's fully charged. It's done charging. The problem was when I turned my switch on, the unit wasn't coming on. I'm thinking I got a battery that won't take a charge, when actually it was a bad switch. So today I took the switch out and I was looking at it, and if you can focus on this magnet in here is super corroded. Now the only thing that turns this shark shield on is that magnet activating this sensor, this pickup right here. So when you turn it, you put that magnet on top of that pickup, it turns the shark shield on. So I got to get me a new switch for this. But in a pinch, since I want to use it today, these little round magnets are pretty common. I got these on my fridge holding up some maps and stuff. And I just dropped it in here in this hole. Just dropped it in there and it actually pulls itself into that magnet. And then I'm not going to put the screw in it because I'm just going to show you for demonstration. I drop it on. Did I put it on the wrong side? This is embarrassing. So, great news. I don't have to buy another shark shield or go send it to them to have the battery replaced. You can't buy the aftermarket battery. They make the things where you're not supposed to pull them apart. They want it proprietary, the special bolts and all this. You can find that little Samsung battery, but it's hard to find the specific one you need and the right amps and everything. Well, the good news is it's just a bad switch. These are a common problem, and that's an easy solution. So if you're in a pinch, you can drop a little circular magnet in there with it.
Get down,
save yourself some money, and then tell them to send you a new switch. Here's my son Trip. He just wanted to be in the shot here on top of the trash can. Hey, what's up? Say hey, Trip. Hey, what's up? All right. So just to make sure everything's sound, I dropped it in the ice chest, and stick your finger in there, and oh, there she is. It's working. So make sure you know it works before you go out there on the water and you start chumming great whites.